Her story is compelling, and I hope more and more people, not only from the Caribbean but from Africa, can develop what she has started, can understand that we as black people need to put our money and our resources together and build for our future generations.
And what I mean by that is my mom taught us that you have to stand up for yourself, but you also have to stand up for others who may not, for any number of reasons, be able to stand up for themselves. So when I take on issues where I'm trying to fight the good fight, it's not always about me or something I care about. It's fighting for those who need help, assistance, support. And so it's really about lifting up others. And in my academic world, I talk about that in terms of social justice. It's the pursuit of social justice, which is recognizing power imbalances and making sure that that's not what dominates our lives, making the world a better place for all of us.
What people need to know is that the black community is not asleep. We are alive and vibrant, and when we have opportunities, we have taken it. We have tried to open doors, raise the ceiling, and break the barriers that are in front of us.